Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we're gonna make a simple, easy, delicious and flavorful rice recipe, and this is a pulao cooked in coconut milk. The texture of the rice in this pulao is so soft. So let's see how to make this. Before we start the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot, and click the bell icon to get all the notifications and updates from our channel, which is completely free. To cook the pulao, heat some ghee in a pan. Once the ghee is melted, add in the spices like cinnamon, star anise, few peppercorns, cardamom and cloves, followed by 1 bay leaf. Saute it for a couple of seconds. Add some cumin seeds. Once it is spluttered, add in sliced onions. Saute the onion until it becomes translucent. Then add in chopped carrots, beans, green peas and mix it up. Now here I am adding 1 cup of soaked rice. I've used jeera rice, but you can use basmati as well. Saute this rice with some veggies until it becomes slightly dry. Now add in 2 cups of coconut milk. I've used freshly made coconut milk, but you can use the store-bought one. So here I've added 2 cups of coconut milk to 1 cup of rice. Add in some salt, mix it. Now cover the lid and cook the rice. Mix it in between, and if required, you can add more water to cook the rice till it becomes soft. Now once the rice is cooked, add some curry leaves and mix it. Our delicious pulao cooked in coconut milk is ready. You can garnish it with some fried nuts. You don't require any side dishes for this pulao because the rice itself has so much of flavors. So definitely try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Please hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to get subscribed. Watch more unique videos from our channel Grey Pot. Do check it out. Thank you.